Good morning, students. This is a computer class, and in this class, we will do exercises and worksheets of chapter number 6. Okay, so worksheet 1, multiple choice questions. Slide transitions are what are slide transitions? Special effects with which a slide is introduced in the presentation. Which one of the following is false? इसमें हमें बताना है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. तो कौन सा फॉल्स है? यू कैन अप्लाई एनिमेशन इफेक्ट टू टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो. नो, ये फॉल्स है क्योंकि हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स और पिक्चर्स पे सिर्फ एनिमेशन इफेक्ट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बैकग्राउंड स्टाइल्स कंटेन्स द रेडीमेड डैश. बैकग्राउंड स्टाइल्स में रेडीमेड क्या होता है? एडिटेबल बैकग्राउंड स्टाइल्स. ओके, स्लाइड शो डिस्प्लेज द स्लाइड्स. कौन सी व्यू में वो शो करता है हमें? इन फुल व्यू. द रेडीमेड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बैकग्राउंड फॉन्ट सेटिंग्स एंड लेआउट इज कॉल्ड. रेडीमेड कॉम्बिनेशन क्या कहलाता है? थीम. नाउ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. यू कैन नॉट सेट अ बैकग्राउंड फॉर अ सिंगल स्लाइड. आप सिंगल स्लाइड के लिए बैकग्राउंड नहीं कर सकते. राइट, फॉल्स. हम कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अप्लाई अ थीम टू गिव अ कंसिस्टेंट लुक टू योर प्रेजेंटेशन. ट्रू. A slide transition introduces a slide with the chosen special effect. True. You cannot vary the speed of transition. False. You can advance a slide either by a mouse click or automatically after a pause. True. Animation of a text on a slide is not possible. True. हम text पे नहीं कर सकते. Now, select the suitable words and fill in the blanks. Okay? हमें इस box में से words select करने और उसमें fill करने. A dash is a predefined slide design with already set background colors, font types, size and bullet styles. क्या होगा हमारा? Theme. The slide dash introduces a slide with some special effect. क्या होगा? Transition. You can apply and dash to individual objects like picture or text on the slide. क्या apply कर सकते हो? Animation. Okay? To start the slideshow, select the dash tab and click on the dash option. कौन सा tab? View tab and slideshow option. Okay? Now worksheet 4. Match the following. Okay? Theme. Theme is what? Ready-made combination of background, font, settings and layout. Slide transition. The special effects with which a slide is introduced. Background style. The button in MS PowerPoint containing all the types of backgrounds. Transition is speed. The speed with which the slide or transition effect takes place. Slideshow. All the slides are displayed one by one in a full view layout. Worksheet 5. Which shortcut key is used for slideshow view? F5. Okay. Now complete all these exercises in your book, and worksheet 5 question answers and worksheet 6 question answers we will do from the PDF. Okay? Answer in one word or sentences. First, write sequence of tab and option used to change the background of the slide. क्या क्या होगा हमारा? To change the background of the slide, first you have to select the slide, then click on the design tab, then click on the background styles button, then select the format background option. The format background dialog box opens. From the given options, we can change the background of the slide. Why themes are convenient to apply? Themes convenient ही होते हैं हमारे लिए. Themes are convenient to apply because they are ready-made combinations of background, font settings, and layout. How can you apply transition effect to a single slide only? कैसे करोगे आप? First, you have to select the slide, then click on Transitions tab. Then scroll through the slide transitions gallery, and here it is click. Okay, CLICK. Click on the transition effect you want to apply to slide. Okay, next is what do you mean by automatically after in advanced slide category? See, automatically after option help us to advance the slide automatically after an interval. इसकी help से हमारी slide automatically advance हो जाती है ना. Now worksheet 6. Answer the following. What are themes? Themes are ready-made combinations of background, font settings and layout. All work together to create your presentation. What is a slide transition? Explain its use. Slide transition is a special effect with which a slide is introduced in the presentation. Next is using which methods slides can be advanced in the presentation. कौन सी methods? On mouse click option and automatically after method. Okay. Next is what is the use of applying animation effect to the slide objects? Answer is animation effects make our presentation more attractive. Okay. Now do all these questions in your copy and learn them properly. Okay, and do the workbook exercises in book only. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.